now we will study about the Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome is a genetic disorder that affects male, and it occurs when a boy is born with one or more extra X chromosome. So Klinefelter syndrome is a trisomic disorder. It occurs in about 1 out of 1000 male. This condition is not typically inherited from one parent. In 1942, Dr. Henry Klinefelter and his co-worker found 9 men with small testes, aspermia, elevated urinary gonadotropins, and gynecomastics. These persons were later diagnosed as Klinefelter syndrome. Barbary in 1956 found that such person is chromatin positive, have 2 X chromosome in its karyotypes. Jacob and Strong in 1956 described the presence of 2 X chromosome in addition to Y chromosome in its karyotype. And Ford Brown in 1964 described that is more than 3/4 the cases karyotypes is 47XXY. Complication: NXT and depression, infertility, weak bones, heart and blood vessel disease, breast cancer, lung disease, diabetes and hyperthyroidism, lupus and rheumatoid arthritis, and tooth problem. Symptoms include undescended testicles, weak muscles, slow motor development, delay in speaking, taller than average height, longer legs and broader hips. At puberty, small testicles, breast tissue development, low sperm count or no sperm, low sex drive, taller than average height, weak bones, decreased facial and body hair, less muscular than normal, increased belly fat and small penis. This is all about the symptom which we will show after the puberty. Diagnosis is hormone testing. Blood or urine sample can reveal abnormal hormone level that are sign of Klinefelter syndrome. Chromosome analysis also included in diagnosis, also called karyotype analysis. This test is used to confirm a diagnosis of Klinefelter syndrome. A blood sample is sent to the lab to check the shape and number of chromosomes. Treatment: it helps to stimulate changes in the lifetime of puberty, change such as developing a deeper voice, growing facial and body hair, and increased muscle mass and penis size. It will not result in testicular enlargement or improve infertility. The breast tissue removal. In male who develop enlarged breast, excess breast tissue can be removed by a plastic surgeon and leaving a more normal looping chest. Speech and physical therapy. This treatment can help boys with Klinefelter syndrome overcoming problem with speech, language and muscle weakness. Fertility treatment. Intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Minimal sperm production patient. During ICSI, sperm is removed from the testicular with a biopsy needle and injected directly into the eggs. Psychological counseling. A family therapist, counselor or psychologist can help work through the emotional issue. So this is all about the Klinefelter syndrome.